Summer is fast approaching, and the city is working hard to ensure our road network is in good state of repair. This past winter was long and cold, and the city saw more than 4,000 requests for pothole repair. That's more than double a typical season. By June 1st, all of these potholes will be filled on a temporary basis, with permanent asphalt repairs continuing over the summer. Council also recently approved $10 million in road paving contracts. These upgrades will begin soon. We are committed to keeping our roads in good working order for our citizens, whether they drive, take transit, walk, or bike. Learn about these road upgrades and more at surrey.ca.